So today we're welcoming the 757 Makerspace into Fort Monroe. This is a space that has been around Norfolk for quite some time and has helped entrepreneurs grow. And now we're just super excited that that's going to be offered to Hampton and specifically our students as an extension to the Makerspace that's actually at Kecoughtan High School currently.
Really what we see what the students are doing at Kecoughtan High School and then the Entrepreneurship Academy. It was a direct alignment with the idea that they had at the 757 Makerspace. A lot of collaboration, a lot of creativity, just bringing those ideas and the creative minds together to build something and start something new. So it just made sense to build the partnership.
We talk about partnerships. I do want to talk about the fact that this Makerspace is a big part of the equation with the city of Hampton, with 757 Makerspace, with Hampton City Schools, the Small Business Development Center, and Starkville. We're coming together to encourage the growth and inspire the makers in our region. And this partnership between Makerspace 757 and the Academy of Entrepreneurship and Information Design can be the foundation of so many opportunities for Hampton students, for the workforce, for makers and entrepreneurs.
This is a wonderful addition that I'm excited to share with you today, and we couldn't have done that without the support of so many wonderful individuals. In particular, I want to say thank you so much to Mary Bunting over here. Without your support, this would not have happened. Without the city of Hampton, that would not have happened. Without our grant for the DHCP, this could not have happened. Without the school system, Seth, the work that you guys are doing, that's fantastic. I can tell you, I knew just a little bit about the Hampton school system to get involved into this and to understand what a wonderful resource and how important this is and how progressive this is. That's a wonderful treat, and I'm very excited to see what the students that have gone through this program